episode 49, and we're at Heathrow, or Myrtle Avenue Heathrow to be more exact. Aaron and Daddy are keen to produce a first timers guide for those wanting to come to the site, watch some planes at Europe's busiest airport. So our first tip, please come to Myrtle Avenue by public transport. There's nowhere to park and you'll just annoy the locals otherwise. Myrtle Avenue is best as everywhere else is just snatched views. It's also received press attention for its noise, its views and its following. So Hatton Cross on the east side of the south runway, runway 27L. Hatton Cross on the Piccadilly line is a comfortable 5-minute walk away. The avenue is served by these 3 bus routes, although Hatton Cross has a multitude of bus options. You'll be charged left, right and centre if you come with a car. Sadly, the official observation deck of the airport requires a ticket to fly from Terminal 4. Best make your way to Myrtle. Travel between the different Heathrow terminals is free, but you must get one of these blue tickets to travel. You can use either the Elizabeth line or the Heathrow Express. Thanks to Jeff Marshall, we know that you can get to Hatton Cross for free on the Piccadilly line from any of the Heathrow stations. You must tap in and tap out from a Heathrow station on the Piccadilly line. Exiting at Myrtle Avenue. It'll cost you nothing. We fact-checked Jeff, and as usual, he's right. Hatton Cross is great for bus connections, but poor for facilities. Only one small store.
If you go down that road and then walk there, you'll get to Felton Railway Station on the South Western Railway.
Here's our list of essentials to bring with you. Note there's no seating area at the site. Lots of value to using Flight Radar 24 to identify the incoming plane. There's a range of nearby eating options as well. There's a nearby BP service station with 24-hour access, hot and cold drinks, Wi-Fi and toilets. Even better, there's a subway open 7 AM to 8 PM 7 days a week to get some fresh food. There's a good range of toys and amusements for anyone you bring with you. And very useful, a free cash machine. We point out other local eating options. There's Daria Cafe, unfortunately only open business hours Monday to Friday 9 to 5. There's Super Sings for Indian, and there's 2 local pubs, both serving meals. For those with a high budget, there's the nearby Atrium Hotel offering fine dining and some rooms with amazing views. It also features a favourite piece of Heathrow art. So back to Myrtle Avenue.
Sure popular.
How far I can kick the ball?
Yeah, I do.
In good weather like this, there's usually an ice cream van, but not today.
Daddy!
What's up?
Butterfly!
Yeah, I saw it. It was beautiful.
Note the runways switch at 3 PM every day, and there is a 2-week alternation pattern, although this is often varied for things such as weather conditions and military exercises. Those with binoculars or a telephoto lens can also see the BA Concorde permanently positioned at the engineering site opposite Myrtle Avenue. Another question to answer, can you get to Myrtle Avenue from Terminal 4? The answer is yes. It's a reasonably long walk, exit through the hotels and past the north side of the A30.
Oh, what's your prize? The Myrtle Avenue Expert Panel Award 2026. Well done, Aaron.
I know you don't have a telescope.
Yeah, you could also use it as a telescope.
So we hope you found our beginner's guide useful. Leave a comment if you think there's anything we've missed, and do feel free to subscribe.